of development of science teaching materials. This is Unit 5, where we are looking at how to develop some materials and games for the teaching and learning of science. This is Session 1, where we tackle mobiles. Do you remember in Unit 2 we discussed some science teaching aids? In this session, we shall continue by looking at in detail how some of the materials as well as games can be developed for the teaching and learning of science. I am your course facilitator, Nihad Bono. By the end of this session, you should be able to 1. Explain what mobiles are. 2. Identify at least 3 concepts in science that can be taught using mobiles. Kindly observe this picture. What does this depict? Does it remind you of any representation in science? Yes, this is an illustration of the solar system. This object depicts the sun and the planets revolving around them. The object can be seen in 3D. This kind of figure or object is called a mobile, and this is an example of a mobile showing the solar system. What then is a mobile? A mobile is any 3-dimensional wall chart which the individual components can move about. As seen in the previous slide, the component of a mobile is movable and it is normally hung on a wall, and so there are types of wall charts. How then can we use mobiles in the classrooms? 1. Mobiles are drawn on cards or cut out and hung independently from the roof or on a suitable beam using fine thread. This mobile acquires vitality as a result of the display turning and changing shape due to air current. Now this cannot be produced in a flat display material. 3. Some mobiles can be suspended in a corner of a classroom where it will not get into people's way but could be still visible to all learners in the classroom. Moreover, mobiles are particularly suitable for young learners because of the fascinating movements that the mobiles normally carry out when air currents affect it. This can be an overwhelming experience for children and a point of teaching or learning for them. 5. The mobiles can also be used to consolidate learning. In place of a wall chart, a mobile can be used to reinforce knowledge or information on a specific topic that is being taught. Mobiles can be used in different areas in science. Let us look at some specific areas in science and how the mobiles might be useful. In biology, mobiles can be used to relate species and also parts of the human body. In chemistry, it can be used to relate groups of elements, and compounds can also be displayed using mobiles. And in physics, it can help to represent different forms of energy and also relate classes of materials. A review of this session with these questions. 1. What are mobiles? 2. Say 3 concepts in science with references that mobiles could be used to aid in teaching. We have come to the end of this session. In this session, we learned about mobiles and how they can be used in the teaching and learning of science in the classroom. Thank you, and see you in our next session.